I think it was the one thing that I really liked about it was very interactive. That we were all like discussing with each other, we were always constantly working together, like working as a team. Like that was good. It wasn't just us listening to something, we were also practicing. Practicing, and if you're doing something wrong, now learning. So by doing and then learning.
Same, sir. Like as a team, where we are lacking few process, like where and all we can improve, and what is our what are the positivity, like what are the positives we have, what are the negatives we have, where can we improve.
What I learned was generally how different teams work together, how the responsibilities of different teams are connected to bring out the final product. I think that's where, I mean, we are aware, but we got more hands-on experience with that.
You have to do in that restrictions. No, by sitting here we understand like how Kalium and ma'am used to face in Ola or some other customer. No, it's practical. Like what we can expect from our quality and production. Like when you feel, when you touch, when you do in process with your own hands, you will feel like as a SCM we can go in production and we can see what they are assembling, but we never get into details. But lean manufacturing, yes, we have to go bit deep to calculate. It's just a wake-up call, but it's really good. Not only me, but most of my team members, like all iPEC team will feel the same thing. It's not virtual, it's like real thing.